Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. You can't really see much, it's 6 in the morning, but first day back to work. I'm just gonna get to work here shortly. I'm a little nervous just because I haven't really even been walking around that much for like 3 weeks, but I'm back here at my favorite job site, so hopefully I can be on a lift and stuff all day. So back here at the warehouse. So anyways, hope I have a good day, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yep, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Thanks, catch you later. Alright guys, so we're back here. Looks like they painted the bottom of the columns yellow. Looks more complete. They got a bunch of all the garage doors in. No idea what I'm going to be doing today. The lights are not on, so maybe we're turning the power on, I'm not sure. But yeah, so we'll figure it out here shortly. So see what the day holds. Hopefully I can work on a lift because I don't feel like I'm going to have the capacity to walk all day. So anyways, we'll see how the day turns out. Alright guys, kind of noisy in here. Working in here, coworker was working on these pipes over there. What I was working on, these 3 pipes right here. Mounting this box, going up to this, drilled that hole on the bottom, and then he drilled all the holes down there. So that took me longer than I probably should have. Haven't been working a long time, 3 weeks, and doing multiple bends for me is slightly harder than it probably should be, but so I'm just getting back into it. Didn't turn out extremely bad, but worked on that for the second half of the day, and then the first half of the day I worked over at the panels, and I'll go show you that. Alright, so I was working over here, and you gotta unlock these. You gotta be special, privileged, white male to have the key to that. So luckily I lucked out. So you kind of have to do 2 hands on this, so you might have to give me a second to unlock this. Yeah, you need 2 hands, so 1 second. Alright, so what I did in here was install these 2 breakers, this one here and this one there. These 2 are already in. This is a 3-phase ABC. This is a C phase, and then these are 2 A phases. They didn't have the right breaker, so this should have been like a B, and then I could have put it right there. But anyways, I just went with 2 A's and landed the 2 wires in there. I think it's 480 or something, 460, but anyways, there's like a brown and orange in there, and then this one was already yellow. So I basically had to take off this whole cover, take off all the screws. So this piece comes off, this is 1 piece, and then this is 1 piece, and this door is 1 piece. So basically you take off all the pieces, and then this is the dead front. So this was sitting on the side, so basically I took it all apart, put the 2 breakers in, put the dead front on, and then screwed it all back together. I'm pretty surprised I got it by myself. It's kind of tricky, but anyways, I did this 3 times. I did this one over here, and then there's another one over there. It was missing 1 breaker, so I put the 1 in, and then the one over in the corner over there, it was missing 1 as well. So they were all A breakers, so basically just put them on the A phase, and it's basically just A phase, B phase, C phase, and then it repeats ABC, ABC. But I also backtracked because this is ABC, so well, that's ABC, but this is also a C at the end, so I just went BA, CBA, so I know where to put the breakers. And then over on the other one, it was, someone did it wrong, it was CBA, CBA, so I had to take out the A's and the C's and switch them so they're in the right order. But anyways, that's basically what I did today, just lots of planning on the pipe room over there, and then over there with the outside, just kind of planning that over there with the other guys. Didn't really do anything over there, but just helping out over there, sort of. Just waiting for instruction for the little fire pump room over there, so I'm gonna lock this back up. I think there might be power tomorrow. They are the lineman or whoever is doing that run in the last few wires, and then I think there should be power here tomorrow, and then we can test all the ceiling lights. I think they kind of already did that while I was gone, but a few of them have problems. So anyways, we'll work on that tomorrow. And yeah, so thanks for stopping by, guys. Appreciate it. God bless. Welcome back to the electrical vlogs after work. I hope you enjoyed. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you later. And if you enjoyed the video, drop it a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Help me out. Look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. See ya. All right, Will, the giveaway winner. I need to know which tester you want. If you want the Fluke style, just the one that tells you if the wire's hot, or if you want the Klein one that says low voltage, high voltage, stuff like that, has a little flashlight. But I definitely like this one better, but this one goes through batteries really fast. But let me know what you want and I'll buy whichever one you want. Yeah, send me your email or something, leave your email in a message, and then I will email you, and then we'll get it squared away. All right, sounds good. Peace out. So the first day back went pretty well. I was super tired. I don't know why. Anyways, turned out pretty good. Definitely have to get back in the working rhythm and stuff like that. And also, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all. Some people just don't know how to interact with other people, I guess. Some people just say whatever they want and then just think it's cool, like their words don't affect people. Or yeah, some people will just call you ugly and then just say JK, you know. It's just not something it's just not cool. So anyways, the beard's coming back as soon as possible. I don't like the way I look, so we can just get over that fact right now and move on with our lives. That would be great. So yeah, yep, that's all I gotta say. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've said that like 17 times. I will see you guys tomorrow, and I will be making some trip videos, hopefully today after this. So look forward to that, and I will see you later. All right, I'm actually not done. So I haven't cared about my looks probably my whole life. So it's really nice that you guys love to say things about my looks or whatever sometimes, but I really don't care. I'm gonna do what I want. So if I want to grow my hair out, I'm gonna do that. If I want to shave my beard, I'm gonna do that. If I'm gonna grow my beard out, I'm gonna do that. So really anything you guys say doesn't really affect what I'm gonna do. It just pisses me off. So if you guys could just keep your I don't even know where I'm going with this anymore, but just, I don't know, some people like myself don't want to hear stuff that doesn't matter. So if you tell me to get a haircut, all it's gonna do is piss me off. So when I get pissed off, basically I just start blocking people. So be warned. If you want to be blocked, go for it. But anyways, I appreciate the support, guys. Anyways, that's all I have to say. I've said this too much. I've talked too much in this video, but yeah, I'm just getting tired of it. So many people are just telling me to get a haircut or whatever, or some people like it, some people don't like it. So honestly, it's up to me, and I'm gonna live my life how I want to live my life. I figured that out long ago. You can't please anyone. You can't please, I don't know, you can't please everyone, but yeah, it's just sad when people have to try to bring you down when there's really no need to. So anyways, that's all I'm gonna say. Peace out. And very lastly, I think, if you don't like anything that I do, you can just leave. I mean, that's fine with me. I don't have any problem with you leaving. Of course, I like the support, but if you're not here to support me and you're just here to criticize me, judge me, and make fun of me, then you can just leave, or I can block you. But anyways, yeah, I don't know where I'm going with this anymore. So if you don't like the way that I live my life or agree with the way that I live my life, well, just be happy that it's not your life and you can make your own decisions. And yeah, so if you don't like what I do, peace out. The door is right there. Just unsubscribe or whatever you want to do, because you're no fan of mine. All right, actually I lied. So if you guys made it to the end of the video and made it through everything I just said, and you're one of the 10% of the new people, or whatever, 7% of the new followers, I just want to let you know this is mostly what I do for videos, electrical videos. I am an electrician, So I do a lot of electrical videos after work, so just a heads up. But yep, if you didn't know that and you are here for the first time or here for the first week or two after my vacation, this is what I do for work. So these are mainly what I do for videos, but I will be doing Corvette videos. I have a bunch lined up, and I also have more trip videos. So if you're interested in that, make sure to stay tuned. I will see you guys ASAP, like in a few hours, for another video. Okay, bye.